the price including taxes, right? Alright, alright. I will show you how to. Yeah. I will show you how to configure it. Yeah, the starter. So they are with you. How about the team? Alright. Assalamualaikum, my brother. Alright, Assalamualaikum, Mr. Jamal. Yeah. Right, we still waiting for another to come up. So yeah, alright. So yeah, alright. So Mozambique, alright. Can we start it now? Alright, let me share my screen. Alright, let me open our meeting session. Alhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Alright, I will show you how to configure it. Alright, configuration. Here's the taxes. So select the taxes, the sales taxes. Alright, this one, right? This taxes will be applied on our product. So on the advanced option, so actually we already marked the included in price as true. Is there any problem in your product? Alright, maybe how about, can you share your screen directly so I can view it more clearly? Alright. Vegetable don't need taxes. Yeah, just remove. Yeah, just remove the taxes from the product directly if the vegetables product don't need the taxes. Yeah, so I can view it more clearly. Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. 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 All right. Yeah. Right. All right. Can you send the video to Telegram? Right. So I can view it. All right. Let me check it. The markets. Or can you please send the barcode number to the message? Yes. Yeah. Yeah. I see the video about the credit, right? Yeah, about the credit. Unfortunately, by default, although don't have it, but we can customize it to achieve the feature. But we can still use the approach by creating invoice from the point of sale. But for directly for from point of sale, we must customize it by code, so we can achieve the feature. Yeah, yeah. All right. So what is the issue? Hmm. Yeah, yeah. Nice, nice. Yeah, nice to know that. So, all right. Regarding the customer credit, by default, Odoo don't have it on the point of sale. But to achieve the feature, we can customize it. What do you think about that? Another option is we can use uh, the approach that I will showing you how to do it. All right. So I will showing you how to do it. For example, this product, then we select the customer. For example, a beer, a company maybe for this example, and select the payment, and maybe the customer only pay by 10 by cash, and another option is by customer account. And yeah, we all right, let me share the full window to you so you can see later the invoice. All right. those. Alright, not this one. Alright, wait a minute. I will share my screen. Alright, so here's we pay by cash 10 and customer account by 15. Alright, then we select the invoice, we click on the invoice button. Alright, then validate it. Alright, so we can still print the receipt as usual, and we can also print the receipt. We can also check the customer debit on the accounting menu. This is the current approach. So here we can see if the customer want to pay it later by another day, we can click on the unpaid invoice. So this a bit egg. Alright, so here as we can see it's paid by partial. Alright, so we can register the payment. As we can see 15, right? So maybe he want to pay by cash or bank, for example, the cash payment, it's paid now, right? So that is one of the approach to create the credit by Odoo by default. I mean, to create it. So this remaining balance, right? Alright, so for example this product, select the customer, maybe Abu Faisal, right? Abu Faisal, select the payment, maybe by cash. Alright, 50 riyal by cash. Alright, yeah, this is validated, right? As we can see, yeah, let's check it on the, we already validated, right? The last time customer account, we already select the customer. Alright, let me repeat it. Customer account, maybe there's two of Abu Faisal. I think this duplicate. Ajmal Dress. Alright, Ajmal Dress, payment, customer account, then by 50, right? And then what is your question? Validate. Alright, what's Alright, we are still waiting for Nihal. Yeah. Mm-hmm. So it's that like video did you send me on Telegram, right? About the credit and balance, right? Yeah. I will explain to you how to do it after Nihal join, so all of the people can see it. Alright. Excuse me, I will take time about 5 minutes. So I will back later. Alright, I'm back. So we are still waiting for Nihal, right? Alright, so where's Nihal? Yeah. Alright, let's wait a few moments for him. Yeah, hello. Yeah, hello, my brother. Yeah, no, no worries. Yeah, I can hear you clearly. Alright, shall we continue? Alright, so let's back. What is our previous discussion about the customer payment, right? Alright. Let me create a new order. For example, this product. So sorry, yeah, select the customer. So select Amazing Trading, for example. So what is your last question, my brother? So keep the balance for their next order, like that. All right. So yeah, we have by 50 real, and the change is 25. All right. So we can keep we can select the payment method here, whether cash or bank. It will keep yeah, automatically it will keep as the customer account. That's all. So for now we keep it as cash, for example. All right. Hmm. All right. The customer. Yeah, this is customer. Mm-hmm. All right. Let me five. All right. Validated. All right. Yeah, let's go to the customer account. We can check it under the general, sorry, the partner ledger. So on the accounting app, reporting. Sorry, we must close the post first. So the entry will be posted to the accounting. All right. So let's assume the closing balance is. Uh, all right. Yes, this customer account and that's back. Let's check on the partner ledger. Partner ledger. So this one. So what is the last customer name? Sorry, I forgot it. Okay, let's check. Let's check all balance. I think. Let's check all of the customer of transaction by today. Print. I think no amazing trading, right? So here's his balance. Here's his balance. He's credited to his account. All right. So yeah, if you receive cash from customer, total receivable will be deducted, and if you pay amount to suppliers, total payable will be deducted on the debit account. All right. So if we use this payment on the next order, so this balance will be affected automatically. Sorry, I don't get it. Can you repeat it? The first video? Yeah, yeah. This the point of sale. All right, point of sale. I will back to the point of sale menu. Open it. Open it. Yeah. All right. All right. Previously on Jurat database, this not take too long time like this because there's only how much product on Jurat previously. Do you remember it, my brother Nihal? How much total product on Jurat database previously on Jurat supermarket? Yeah, yeah. It more faster than the current one, right? Yeah. All right. So let's open it. Civilly. All right. So Yeah, the same customer as before. Uh, all right. And then uh, on the point of sale window on the same screen, right? Yeah. All right. How about for customer like this? So on the customer, so like this amazing. Sorry, what is the customer name? All right. So if you want to do it on the same screen, the solution is we must customize it. Actually, we must custom or customize it by code directly to make the feature available. So my brother Nihal, like uh, like I did on the Durat database, I customize the price list feature. I customize your invoice feature. I mean, we must make it available by code on the program. I mean, on the software, we must do it by code. So I mean, it's customize it by code, by coding currently. So what I mean is by default the feature is not available on the same screen, but we can achieve it the same thing on the same screen by customizable, by coding, by programming. I mean by programming. uh, so that's possible actually. So yeah, again, but we must do programming to do that on the same screen. All right, what do you think about that? uh, I will need analyze to do the programming. uh, I must take a look. Yeah, but without that, but the feature is actually we can use the feature later. So even without the feature already on the same screen, you can still use you can still start the system as soon as possible. Even because I already inputted your beginning balance, you can start the system from today, from now. No worries, you can start it from now. And about the customer balance on the same screen, we can save the features later. I will customize it for you, inshallah. Alright, so as I asked you on Telegram, actually I need the person name, the email name. That is what I need. So, but without the person name, isn't right? Only the email. Alright, so yeah, I already see the email actually, but I don't know who is the name of the accountant, who is the name of the purchase or the inventory man, who is the name. Alright, alright, alright. So yeah, maybe I will name. Alright, so maybe I will name it by accounting user or accountant user, the inventory user. I will name it like that. Alright, so I will explain to you uh, the next section is about the cash in cash out feature from here. So we have the cash in cash out feature here. So cash in cash, for example, for example, if there is additional money, for example, from the manager for a cashier, for the cashier, yeah, as initial balance, so as for initial balance, so your manager deposit it to the cashier, so we can use the cash cashier, the cash in feature. And about the cash out, if there is any remittance by the cashier or maybe daily deposit to the manager, we can use the cash out feature. Alright, alright. So and about the closing, close it as we can see on the windows. Make sure the counted cash and the one on the bank is balanced as the content. Alright, if there is a difference, it will be appear in the difference. So as maybe you only type 1000, sorry, it's already min, right? So let's make sum of payment to make it be positive value, or maybe 10,000. Alright, close it. Right, it's positive now, right? So if you tap 5000, for example, there is a value on the difference will be showing, right? Alright, so we should make it balance for our daily cash basis. Right, let's type it, and this will be posted in the accounting journal entry. The amount of our income, the amount of difference, if any, will be posted to accounting and automatically. So the accountant no longer needs to re-input it because all part of the application are automatically integrated. That's what ERP is actually. Alright, so close the session like that. So yeah, yeah, we can access it. We can access it on the same database. All of the feature is integrated. in one system. Mm. Uh, on the same database or different database? Hmm. This no, you don't need new software. Sorry, I don't get it. Sorry, can you repeat it clearly? Yeah, on the same server. Yeah, we can configure the branches such as the multi-company feature, but maybe it will need some times to configure it actually, because the feature is actually, I mean, for the multi-company usually uses by a big company actually, so that will need some of configuration and need some times to finish it actually. All right, so let me explain to you another section. So let's check the journal entry. Let's check the journal entry that generated by the last post session. So we can see the post session here. So here's our last session. So here we can see our total order on the one on our testing, and here's one picking, and here's the payment, and here's the journal items. Let's check the journal items. So the journal item for from our last transaction, our last possession will be posted to this account: cash, account receivable, post, the VAT or the taxes, the sales account receivable, POS. So all of the value will be automatically posted to the accounting section. Alright, so let's check the accounting section now. Alright, sorry. Yeah, hello. Yeah, yeah. Alright, yeah, yeah. Alright. So, uh, okay, maybe I will only showing you short about accounting part, and we will do another meeting session for the accounting and the inventory part, and also the purchase order part, because the big and complicated menu is about the accounting and the inventory, so that will be need more time. So maybe we can do let's schedule another time to do the meeting. So yeah, for now, here's the journal entry that generated automatically by the possession on the accounting. As you can see, all of the reporting also automatically generated, such as profit and loss. Let's check it. Yeah. So here's the sales account that we made today on our testing session, and the record is automatically posted to the accounting menu, to the accounting reporting. Let's check now the general ledger. Mm, yeah, yeah, yeah. So yeah, here's the general ledger. So sorry, I think I posted, I see a record. So what I want to mention here, all of the report from our sales is automatically recorded on the accounting part, on the accounting reporting. So in one software you don't need to re-input it. So maybe as usual, sometimes one sales sell on one software and another person which is accounting need to re-input it on another software. So in Odo you don't need it actually, because all of the aspect, all of the feature is really integrated, so it recorded automatically. All right, so let's back to the point of sale. We also have some report here, such as the reporting menu, the order, so we can see the graphic here. Right, let me zoom it. Sorry, just a moment. Alright, so we can see the graphic card with some of the type of measure we can check here, such as the margin, product quantity. We can also group it by user, which user is sell more, which is employee, and on post, which post counter is sell more product, and we can also categorize it by product, by rank of that. We can also add custom grouping here and filter. We can also filter the data. Let's check which product is sell more. So we have this record. Yeah, right. Yeah, so let's measure which product that sell more, but we measure the product quantity and on which product. So yeah, we can see the more product is the egg tray, right? So we can also see another graphic record here, such as we have bar chart, line chart, P chart. We also can stack it, cumulative, descending or ascending. We have some of the feature. We also have the pivot menu here, the pivot option, so we can see the report on the table. So let's say we want to check the product that sell more quantity and the big margin. And alright, so as we can see, this is excluded the discount. Actually the Chico is sell 17 and here's the big margin. We can also select the employee who is sell it, which is Sibley, right? Sibley. Alright, so how much who is sell more? Sorry. The minus margin item, this one. Alright, let's check it. Alright, the crispy, right? So let's check the total. Is it the cost? Sorry, the cost already set or not? Let's check the cost. I guess some of the product, some of the cost still set to 0, right? All right. Yeah, that is the issue actually. Yeah, the cost is big than the sale price. Yes, is the cost is big than the sale price. So let's calculate it. Sorry, I should press it. All right, so it will be mean. So if you sell the product, as we can see, you already sell 2,000 of the product. 2,000 of the product. Yes, yeah, sorry, to the quantity. All right. Yeah, yeah, that is the issue. Zero, the price. Sorry, let me discard it. All right. Uh, what? So what should I show in? All right. All right. Le- All right. Just refund the product. All right. So let's back. We can track it actually. As we can see under the cash in, cash out. Sorry, in out. So here we can track the product. So in this that we sell the product to our customer. The menu, the margin menu, the margin menu. So you can see it under the point of sale. All right, let's open point of sale under reporting the the, the order, the order. All right, did you follow it? And then you can click on the pivot menu. On the pivot menu you can select any group by from here, but the most important thing is the measure. What should we measure on the reporting? So on our last report is product quantity and the margin, right? And you can click on the add icon or positive icon uh, to expand it, click the product, and here you can see it. You can also download it to Excel actually. So we have the option to download it to Excel file. Sorry, I don't get it. In this menu, so you must back to the product actually. You must set the product again on the product menu. So you must get back to the product menu actually. You can access it on the same point of sale menu. Alright, yeah. Renew it. Hello, yes. Alright. Alright. Alright, please give me time about 20 minutes. Sorry, 2 minutes. 2 minutes, sorry. Alright, I'm back. So I'll reshare my screen. So on the pivot menu, right? So we should measure the product quantity, the margin, and the total price, I think. So yeah, sorry. Alright, so All right, my brother. All right, can we continue it? Shall we continue it, my brothers? Can you hear me, my brother? Yeah, can we continue it? All right, so actually the pivot is not clickable. So to check your product, you can open the product menu in different tabs and just search the product. So from here you can uh, view the product in more detail, such as this one. So here's your stock, forecasted stock. So this is the inventory part. Actually, uh, as I mentioned it to you recently, this is actually another big topic, inventory and accounting. So let's do it in another meeting session. So is there any another question about point of sale? Yeah, hello. So yeah, I you repeat it again. You already can use the system from now. Uh, the main the main part is actually the point of sale for the supermarket business. The main thing is the point of sale, and for the inventory and for the accounting part, we can postpone the explanation later after that. But because point of sale, we must face to face with our customer, so we must handle it faster. So yeah, but actually the all of the app is already actually. Refund, right? The refund, right? Yeah, all right. I will show you how to do that. So here, let's open the new session for possibility. Yes, refund actually. Alright, select the cashier. So when you opening the cash control, the balance will be appear on our last closing session. Alright, so don't change it, don't change it, actually don't change it. But if you want to deposit your this this amount to your manager, or want to transfer it to your bank account, that is using different menu actually. We can deposit or transfer it using the cash in, cash out feature. What I mean is, don't change the opening cash. Open the session. If you want to deposit to the manager, just maybe you want to deposit by 5,000. Keep the value min to manager, or send it to the bank account. You can confirm it. Alright, so about the refund feature, so let's take a look. So for example, a customer, actually you don't need to really select the customer. Sorry, brother, my phone switch it off so I can hear you. So this Nihal, right? Alright, so who is send this message? Sorry brothers, my phone is switched off so I cannot hear you, but I can see. Yeah, I can hear you. So, but I got one message. This is from Nihal. Alright, I will continue about the refund option. Alright, so for example, select the product, make the payment, select the payment method, and validate it. Alright, new order. But if your customer want to refund it, just click on the refund button. So here's the last order. We can select another order also, which order you want to refund. So for example, the last order, this one, right? Just change it. Yeah, lot of item will be also showing. Alright, so let me showing you one more item. Right, like this item, right? Let's make the payment. Select the payment method, validate it, new order, and click on the refund. And here we can also search the customer name, maybe this one, customer home. So all of the customer that related to this tag will be appeared. Alright. Alright, so the last bill. Alright, so here's the last bill. So right, so yeah, he want to change three of the item. So like this one, Chico, maybe four of the Chico. Alright, so he want to refund this item. Refund this one item, this item, and this item, and another item. He don't need to refund it, just close it. Alright, 0 alright, refund it, and as we can see he refund it. And in the same order, if we want to change to another item, he can do it on the same session. So maybe he want to change it with this item, he can do it directly. So as we can see, the quantity is showing as negative, right? As the amount, it will be showing as negative. But the new item, if the cashier select it, will be showing as positive as usual. If your cashier or the customer only want to refund the money, so you don't need to select any product actually. So the total is will be showing as negative. Select the payment. So he want to refund the cash, so you must give the amount back to your customer. Alright, validate it as usual. Alright, can you understand it? Alright. Alright, my brother, so because it's already midnight on my area, so maybe we will continue our meeting session tomorrow. What do you think about that? Yeah, inshallah. So just yeah. Alright. So just drop any question on Telegram. So inshallah I will reply your question tomorrow. Hello, yeah, my brother. The copy of database. Actually, to copy the database, we also need some of the cloud server configuration, because the current database is we make it online, right? So maybe I will need some of hours. Alright, so what if you create it now on the test database for the purchase? So we can import it later. Sorry. So yeah, again, my brother. So because we did it, we make our app online. So I will need some of the server configuration, some of the cloud server and the domain name configuration, and it will need some of times to do that. So what do you think if you create your purchase now on the test database, so we can export and import it later? You cannot access the test. Alright, so I will send you the access to the test database. Alright, thank you, my brother. Okay, all of my team, thank you for the today's session. So let's schedule another meeting session. Inshallah we will discuss about the next question about point of sale, if any, and we can continue about the accounting and the inventory and also the purchase app. We also need some of the port. On the test, Yeah. Actually, that will be also, yeah. We can do that. But yeah, I think it will be more complicated. But I think it will be more complicated actually, because we have 27,000 of items. I think will be hard to us later uh, to recognize which items is news and which item is all. So what is the solution? Let me think about the solution first. Yeah, all right. Okay, thank you, my brother. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you all for the sessions. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yeah, all right, yeah, thank you. Okay, thank you all for the session. All right, so yeah, thank you.